Does my eSIM include calls? While our eSIMs only include mobile data for the destination country and can't be used directly for phone calls, you can use VoIP apps such as WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, FaceTime, or iMessage to speak to your loved ones. During the installation process, you will be asked which SIM you want to use for voice calls and SMS. If you need to make calls, you can set up your personal physical SIM to receive and make phone calls, and use your Holafly eSIM's data for internet calls. Activating Wi-Fi calling is easy. On iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, and select your Holafly eSIM. Once there, tap on Wi-Fi calling and toggle the switch to enable the feature. On Android, swipe down twice from the top of the screen to reveal the Quick Settings panel. Swipe right and tap the Wi-Fi calling icon to activate the feature. Please note that if you activate your main SIM to make local or international calls, you may be charged by your operator.